Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook healthy food. To begin, focus on building your meals around whole ingredients, which are the cornerstone of good nutrition. Think vibrant vegetables, ripe fruits, and lean protein sources like chicken or fish. Learning to read food labels empowers you to make informed choices, avoiding unnecessary additives that can undermine your healthy efforts. Remember, a well-stocked pantry with these essentials makes healthy cooking simple and accessible. Selecting the right cooking technique makes a significant difference in your meal's nutritional profile. Opt for methods like steaming your vegetables to retain their nutrients and vibrant colors, or baking your chicken breast for a tender, flavorful result without excess oil. Grilling is another fantastic option for meats and vegetables, imparting a smoky taste. When you do use oil, a small amount of extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil is sufficient. Think about 1 tablespoon per serving. These small adjustments lead to healthier, satisfying dishes. You can infuse incredible flavor into your healthy meals without relying on excessive salt, sugar, or unhealthy fats. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley, along with dried spices such as cumin, paprika, and oregano, are excellent for this purpose. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can brighten almost any dish, from roasted vegetables to grilled fish. Explore different vinegars to create flavorful dressings. A splash of balsamic vinegar elevates a simple salad beautifully. Experimenting with these natural flavor boosters will transform your cooking experience. Making healthy cooking a regular part of your routine involves small, consistent habits. Try dedicating 30 minutes on Sunday to plan your meals for the upcoming 5 days and prep some ingredients like chopped vegetables. Incorporate easy swaps, such as using plain Greek yogurt instead of sour cream, or opting for brown rice over white rice. Eating mindfully, savoring each bite, helps you appreciate your food more and recognize when you are comfortably full. These practical steps will help you enjoy healthy, delicious meals every day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.